Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to customize your web browser. More specifically, how to select the home page that initiates anytime you open your preferred web browser. Now, this is a great way to access information easily and make anything that you wish to access more accessible while browsing the web. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. When selecting a web browser, you will notice that each have their own pre-assigned startup pages. Typically, this will be a search engine such as Bing or Google. But let's say that these initial pages are of no use to your preferences and instead are in need of an alternative startup page. Today, I'm going to demonstrate using Microsoft Edge. Right away, you can see that the startup page is msn.com. My objective today is to adjust this function to bring up the PSPL web page instead. To do this, locate the browser settings, then on the left side menu, I'm going to select Start, Home, and New tabs. If you are a Chrome or Firefox user, locate your settings menu and select the option on Startup for Chrome and Homepage for Firefox. Now I'm going to select the option Open these pages under When Microsoft Edge starts and select Add New Pages. A window will appear asking for the new URL, so I will add the new web location and click Add. To test this out, I'll close my current window, open a new window with Edge, and you can see that my new homepage is established. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you learned something new that will only benefit you along your digital journey. Again, my name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.